I'm Sharon Feaster, and I am your A&P teacher for this semester. And I may have you in my lecture, I may have you in my lab. Many times I'll have the same student in both the lecture and lab, which is really good because that'll be a real good fit for you. If you have just one or the other, it's not a big deal. But just wanted to share a little bit about me in this video. I teach here on campus in the fall and the spring at Hinds Community College in Raymond, Mississippi. In the summers, I'm teaching the online classes, and I'll be at home. So I certainly treat that home as an office whenever students get in touch with me and as I'm preparing for the class. So don't be hesitant to contact me, even if it's a phone call. I love phone calls from students. Sometimes that's a whole lot better to hear a voice at the other end than to go back and forth on email. So don't hesitate on that. In Canvas, you'll see all my contact information. Just a little bit more about me. I've been teaching here at Hinds for 30 years now. And during that time, I've taught principles of biology, I've taught general biology, I've taught A&P 1, I've taught A&P 2. My very favorite course to teach is this one. It's A&P 2. So that's why I've chosen it to teach in an online environment as well as on the face-to-face, on the campus environment. I also teach environmental science in Costa Rica, and that's pretty cool. You might be interested in that. We have international studies here at Hinds, and every year in May we take a group of students to Costa Rica for about 10, 11, 12 days, and we study tropical ecosystems and man's impact upon that. So as we do it, we hike through the rainforest, the cloud forest, the tropical dry forest, we kayak, we snorkel. It's a pretty awesome trip. If you're interested in that, go to the link on the Hinds homepage, and you'll see a link for international studies. But anyway, I can go on and on and on about that. It is just one of the highlights of my year, going to Costa Rica and taking students and seeing the monkeys and the sloths and the toucans and the volcanoes. But anyway, that's not what this course is about. This is about A&P. And as far as teaching a discipline, this is by far my very favorite. Like I said, I've been teaching at Hinds for 30 years, and I have been teaching A&P 2 every bit of that time, along with some of those other courses. So I do know a lot about our organ systems and how they should work. I'm not a doctor. I've never gone to medical school or nursing like many of you plan to do. But I do know how the body is supposed to work, and I know all the intricacies of the different organ systems. So I am a good resource for you if you get bogged down in an organ system and you just need somebody to talk to about it. That's me. All right, a little bit more about me. I am a wife, I am a daughter, I have parents that I'm very blessed to have still here, and I have 2 children, and I have 4 grandchildren, and a 5th one on the way. I have a cute little Chihuahua named Penny. She is just the joy of our little house, and I love all kinds of animals. I know many of you do too. In fact, right now I have baby rabbits nesting in my garden. So I'm pretty excited about that. Now my flowers aren't excited, but I'm excited. I love those baby rabbits. Anyway, I hope that you will share a little bit about yourself. On the home page on our Canvas site, you'll see a button. It's totally optional. You don't have to get involved in that. But if you would like to share a little bit about yourself while you're taking this course with other students, they can respond. You might even put a video on that if you'd like. But you certainly don't have to. But if you want to, please do that. Anyway, enough about all of that. The most important thing that you can do initially in this course is please watch the other video, the How This Course Works video. You'll see a link for that on the home screen just under this link that you've just gotten to see this little short video. But that will tell you how to navigate through the course. I'll give you a lot of good tips in that video on how to best be prepared for your test as you work through the course. Do that in both the lecture and in the lab if you're in both. They're different courses, and so they're set up. It looks a little the same, but they are a little different. Okay, well, good luck with everything, and I wish you the best in A&P.